just shut off or some lights out. Did the battery finally die after a month? Did it really? Hold on. Off. No, nothing. Hold on, guys. I'll be back. Luckily I have this thing out from earlier, but so anyways, let's plug this into the action. Alright, well, let's check the voltage of the battery. So negative, negative, positive, positive. And nothing. Alright, let's try to turn on the BMS because I think it's off. Well, BMS meaning the battery's protection circuit, because there is a protection in it, and it is off. So I think the battery is dead. Alright, let's turn it on and see the voltage now. Alright, I turned it on by briefly connecting to my power supply, and it shows 8.7 volts. Yeah, that is very low. It should be 12 volts or like yeah, 8.7. That's definitely below the minimum voltage. So yeah, it died. All right. Well, anyways, see you guys later. So.